So you can hear the packing guns, the tape guns, right? It's the last day. They're packing up early. This is what happens with the Canton Fair. It's only a half day, especially on the last day. You know, everyone's just packing up. They want to get back to their province. They're desperate also. You know, they want to get good deals. If you're here and you've had a chat with them before and you want to get a good deal, you can actually sit down with them and negotiate them one-on-one, and you can even cut good deals there, you know, then and there. So a lot of these people actually don't want to take the product with them back to the province or back to, you know, the country or where the supplier, right? They actually want to get rid of them. So they're either willing to give you your samples away for free or even sell it to you at a discounted rate. They're actually, I think one of my colleagues is down there buying a few samples as we speak. So it's a good way of getting samples for the product. It's a good way. You take it back with you. You take photographs for your Amazon store. You know, can actually get the photography getting started underway even before you've ordered a test run, you know, or before you've even ordered your first shipment. All right. So anyway, enough from me. Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.